Hi students, today we are going to learn trigonometry chapter. What is trigonometry means? We can separate like this. Trigonometry. The meaning of this is tri means 3. Gono means angle. Metry means measure. So what is trigonometry means 3 angle measure. We can have 3 angles where in a triangle. So the complete trigonometry chapter is based on right angled triangle. There are acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle according to angles. This is according to sides, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. This is according to angles. The complete chapter depends upon right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, I need not explain, came to class 10th. Suppose ABC is a right angle triangle. How we can tell right angle means out of 3 angles, one angle will be 90 degrees and 90 degrees opposite side we call as hypotenuse. This everyone knows, hypotenuse. This is unknown angle. If we put theta, unknown angle we will think as theta. This will be 90 minus theta, or you can call as beta or whatever may be that is left. Sometimes if you think theta, this one, this will be 90 minus theta, vice versa. Now all of you listen carefully. Here theta is there. Theta, this is opposite side to this. AB is opposite side, so opposite side to theta, and this is side only, this we call as adjacent side to theta, adjacent side to theta. And this is hypotenuse. If you remember these 3 names, sir, if you think this as theta, then this will be opposite side, this will be adjacent side, hypotenuse will not change. Are you able to follow? Depends upon theta, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Now I am going to teach you trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios, very important. We are having 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Sine, complete names are there in textbook, you can see. SINE, shortcut is sine, not sin. Okay, this is cosine, we will write as shortcut. Tangent, we will write shortcut. Cosecant, shortcut. Secant, shortcut. Cotangent. Are you able to follow? These are the names. So like a song you will learn: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Repeat all of you: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. This is the sequence. This is the way, one after another. In the KG hall and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, in the same way. Learn like this so that you will get easily. Now I am going to teach you about unknown here, theta. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Able to follow? Or some will tell us, instead of theta, C they will tell. Sine C, cos C, tan C, cosecant C, secant C, cot C. If either theta or C. Or sometimes this they ask: sine A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, cot A. Then the it changes, that's all. But this B is 90 degrees. Are you able to follow? So here we want to either this one or that one. Now what is sine? Sine means opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Shortcut I am writing. So opposite side is what? AB. AB by AC. Are you able to follow? AB by AC. AB by AC. Next, coming to cos, adjacent side to theta, adjacent side to theta, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? BC. BC by AC. So, BC by AC. Coming to tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Sin by cos. Hypotenuse, hypotenuse cancels. Opposite by adjacent. So, opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. You write full form. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta is equal to, what is opposite side? AB. What is adjacent side? BC. Are you able to follow? You write completely. I wrote still short, but you don't write like that. Coming to cosecant. Cosecant means reciprocal of, so 1 by sin theta. If you know first 3, the next 3 are reciprocals. Very simple. 50-50. If you learn 50%, 50%, automatic you will be understanding. So keep in mind, now 1 by sin, reciprocal, hypotenuse by opposite, hypotenuse by opposite. You write full form, opposite side to theta. Now make it reciprocal, AC by BC, AC by AB, AB. Next, secant theta, reciprocal, 1 by cos. What is this one? 1 by cos theta, reciprocal, hypotenuse by adjacent, hypotenuse by adjacent. Next what? Reciprocal, AC by BC, AC by BC. So first 3 if you know, remaining automatic. Now tan and cotan, reciprocal of tan is cotangent. So here all of you see, 1 by tan theta we can write. Another form is here sin theta by cos theta, reciprocal, cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. Reciprocal, adjacent by opposite, adjacent by opposite. Again reciprocal, BC by AB. Are you able to follow? So be careful and learn this. If you know this one, the chapter completes. So very important. So learn and by heart. Now I am going to teach you identities. Identities, or we can tell as square relations. Square relations in trigonometric ratios. Are you able to follow? So identities. There are 3 identities. 3 identities are there. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And third one, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These 3 are very important identities. From these 3 we are going to again get some more, abstract some more. Sin square theta plus cos square theta also 1, or cos square theta plus sin square theta also 1 only. For plus no problem. For plus no problem. Suppose you are keeping here sin square theta, then you are taking that plus goes that side minus. So sin square theta place we can write as 1 minus cos square theta. Still sin theta only we have to write, means square goes that side, square root. Square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Did you understand how I am bringing how many formulas? Next, this time you keep here cos square theta here only. 1 minus sine square, plus goes that side, minus, plus went from left to right. Now this time you want only cos theta, square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So from one formula we got 5 more. Coming to the next, second one. Secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. Suppose if you write tan square theta minus secant square theta, it will be minus 1. Keep in mind. Here 1 only, but here minus. That is the difference. Suppose if you are keeping here secant square theta, minus going from left to right, it becomes plus 1 plus tan square theta. So in the place of secant square theta, you can replace 1 minus tan, 1 plus tan square theta. Only secant theta if they ask, square goes from left to right, square root. Very simple to learn. So first learn those 3 identities. From that only we are obtaining all this. Next this side, plus I am taking that side and bringing plus 1 this side. So tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So tan theta is equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. Everybody follow how I am getting. So now third one. What is third one? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta 1. Say cot square theta minus cosecant square theta will be how much? Minus 1. How much? Minus 1. Next. Now cot square theta if you keep here, 1 plus cosecant square theta. Only cot theta, square root of 1 plus cosecant square theta. Next, minus send that side, this one. Now cot square theta is equal to, here I have done mistake. I have not taken identity. Identity we have to take. Identity. 1 minute. Now cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus cot square theta. I took here, this is not identity, this is identity. From identity we have to see. This time minus I am taking cot square that side, plus 1 I am bringing from left to right. So next, cot square theta went that side, cosec. So cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Now only cot theta, square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. So don't get confused. Are you able to follow? This is identity, this is not identity. This is identity, this is not identity. But here both identities because it is plus. Are you able to follow? Any more doubt? No doubt. Now exercise 28. Look at the figure given below. From this figure write down the values of, they are asking to write the values of sin x. Sin x means what I told you? Opposite side to x by hypotenuse. Able to follow? Which one is opposite? Quite opposite. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. 90 degrees opposite one is called as hypotenuse. So keep in mind this three. To this x, this is opposite. To this x, this is adjacent. And 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. So here sin x they asked opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? Q. So write that Q. Q by, and what is hypotenuse? R. So what is the value means? Q by R. Next coming to cos x. Cos x means what? Adjacent side to x by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? P. So P by R. So this is the way of finding values. Coming to tan x. Tan x. Tan means what? Opposite side. Opposite side to x by adjacent side to x. Adjacent side to x. What is opposite side? Q. Q by what is adjacent side? P. So this one they last as they like, but I am finding everything in line. Sine, cos, tan. Next one is what? Cosecant, secant, cot. So cosecant x means 1 by sin x. What is cosecant? I told you, reciprocal. Hypotenuse by opposite. So hypotenuse by opposite side to x. Opposite side to x. So what is that value? R by Q. R by Q. Coming to secant. Secant x is what? Reciprocal. 1 by cos x. What is cos here? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Reciprocal. Hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse by adjacent side to x. Now that is equal to what is hypotenuse? R. Adjacent is P. So R by P. R by P. The last one. Cot x. What is cot x? 1 by tan x. And still what we can write? Cos x by sin x. Now come here. Opposite by adjacent. Reciprocal. Adjacent by opposite. So adjacent side to x by opposite side to x. Opposite side to x. That is equal to Q by P. Reciprocal. P by Q. P by Q. This is the way. They will ask here and there, but I taught you in order. So it's better to learn all. Which one they will ask, we don't know. Whatever they ask, we have to mention like this clearly. Everybody follow? Now third bit, they are asking z. So sin z is equal to, for z, which one is opposite? U is opposite. Which one is adjacent? K is adjacent. And 90 degrees opposite? Hypotenuse. So sin z they are asking opposite side to z by hypotenuse. Opposite side is u and hypotenuse is n. Coming to cos z. Adjacent side, you write full form. Adjacent side to z by hypotenuse. So adjacent is k. K by n. Next tan. Tan z is equal to opposite side to z by adjacent side to z. So opposite is u by k. U by k. Coming to next. Cosecant z. Cosecant z means hypotenuse by opposite side. What is hypotenuse? N. And what is opposite side? U. So n by u. N by u. Coming to secant z. Secant z means what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is n and adjacent is k. So n by k. Coming to cot z. Cot z means what? Adjacent side to z by opposite side to z. So what is adjacent? K. K by u. Like this you have to write.